Do you want to be a better rider? And do you want to be a safer rider? And at the same time, do you want to ride faster? Check it out. In this video, I'll introduce to you Roger Chia from i-MotoTV, and he's a certified riding instructor. He organizes i-RideClinic, where he teaches 3 levels of riding classes. His main priority is to teach you to be a safer rider, better rider, and a faster rider. I'll be introducing his Level 1 i-RideClinic. The Level 1 i-RideClinic consists of lessons covering a few drills. They are mostly focusing on the bike control, throttle response, steering control, body positioning, and also knowing your corners. It is a very interesting riding clinic, and for those who have actually ridden for a very long time, or even for new beginners, take a look at some of the action during the Level 1.
Hold it this way, this one go bottom, and practice rolling off, rolling on. Rolling off the throttle, and then turn the throttle. What you want to do is roll on, roll off.
Thank you.